Welcome to Financial Freedom with Mel Waller. So I started in December. And I started one way I can increase my income above and beyond what I'm already doing is to start using Amazon ads. Now you can see I used some way back in February and I didn't earn anything there. I started again in June. I did a campaign. It's still ongoing. I started another campaign in December, and I started several here in January. And I have two campaigns that are doing very well. And if we took away the money I spent on that February campaign that went nowhere, we're probably looking at around $40-some in total ad spend. I've had 10 orders, and you can see I've had sales, gross profit of $161.65. So it's doing very well. And that was December the 19th. I started the one. It is now only January the 8th. So doing well. And then I'll continue doing everything that I'm doing here now until the end of January or somewhere in that neighborhood. And then what I might do is, I'll reevaluate. Maybe I've got to increase what I'm willing to bid for my bids. Daily spend, I'm okay. I haven't maxed out on that. But start making some adjustments, and then watch each day for a couple of weeks and see if the key is not to get spending more than you're making. Obviously, you don't want to be losing money, and that's why I'm always hesitant in the past to do this. So, but I'm very, very pleased with what's going on. This, it's $161.65. I would not have made here in the last since December the 19th if I didn't do ads. So I brought in income that I wouldn't have brought in, and I hope to continue to do that. Currently I've got 1,651 titles of ebook and book titles up on Amazon. So I got many to work with. I'm in the process of publishing some more titles, and now that I've started ad campaigns, I'm going to bear that in mind in how I price my titles. Some of my titles are public domain, so I'm competing against other people who can also reprint those titles where the copyright has expired. And kind of bear that in mind and adjust accordingly. And hopefully, before the end of January, add some more campaigns, start making more on other campaigns, and just keep increasing this month after month after month. And by the end of the year, 2026, it could be a significant amount of money. I mean, I'm happy with one extra dollar earned. Here we are, $161 in extra sales. So it's good. Plus, I am serious about building my empire. I want to get it up to $10 million in 3 years. So this is one of many steps along the way. Okay. Thank you. Feel free to subscribe, like, comment, ask questions. Your questions will help me decide what more to create videos for. And I want to share my information with you. And that's what I'm doing here. So thank you. Have a great day. To your success and my success. Bye.